So Ryobi has came out with a brand new, very exciting air cannon. So this is not the typical. I think we just came out with the 14-inch air cannon. This is actually a 20-inch air cannon, and we just know a little bit of information about it so far. But the information that we know already makes me want this air cannon. But before we jump into that air cannon, let's look at what we currently have and what really just came out. So the 40-volt air cannon that we've seen, or that we currently already have out, has three settings. It's kind of like the 18-volt air cannon that we had, I guess, a couple of years prior, which is actually one of my go-tos, and I've used that for a long time until the 40-volt came out, and that just makes my life that much easier. It has up to 2,000 CFM. It does all the rotating. It is hybrid, and it's part of the Whisper series, so it's pretty quiet while producing a lot of that air that everybody knows and loves and enjoys. But with that being said, Ryobi is upping their game, and with this brand new 20-inch hybrid Whisper Series air cannon, it actually comes on a cart, so you can kind of pull it around like a little buggy. It's got three settings. It runs off the 40-volt batteries. With that being said, it can run up to 34 hours on a 12-amp hour 40-volt battery. Now, with all that being said, here's the thing. It's the most powerful cordless fan in the industry. Now, just go ahead, pause, take a guess. How much CFM does it have? You're taking a look at the picture. 6,300 CFM. Now, that is more than triple the amount of the 40-volt 14-inch air cannon that's the Whisper series. That's pretty incredible. Now, they do that through different designs and the propeller that's inside and all this other great stuff that I don't know enough about to intelligently talk about, but I can say that this is something that I'm going to be looking after as soon as possible. It's going to hit the stores, from what I understand, in early 2024 sometime, or could be spring, not really sure, but I know it's going to be in 2024 what they're releasing. Hopefully we get some more information, some more pictures, some more demonstrations. I really want to see how this thing works out, so everyone keep your eye on Ryobi, because they have just jumped ahead of all the competition. Nobody's able to keep up at this point in time, and they are just running with the ball. My name is Brent. This is Live Free and Antoine. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope that it was informative. Stay tuned. I will be bringing you all the latest and greatest from Ryobi and other tool manufacturers out there, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. See ya. This is the trimmer pole, the pole saw. I have that. I absolutely love it. It's awesome. I love the expanded. I think the value that you get out of it for the investment is on point, and that's exactly what you want. That's why we all love Ryobi. Now, the biggest thing and the last thing is the 80 volt power source, 1,000 watts. This thing is bad to the bone. Now, you're going to be able to take those suitcase 80 volt batteries that you have in your riding lawn mowers, and you're going to be able to strap onto it the power source. Now, the power source, typically the battery goes into the power source. So this time the power source sits on top of the battery and straps to it. And that is telling, I mean, it tells a story when you look at it. It just tells a story. It's pretty awesome. And I think you can actually charge the battery from the power source too, which is awesome. But it's a little bit more portable than the power stations. It's just smaller. You don't get that 1,800 watts, but what you do get is portability and still a lot of power coming out. It's not the only power source that's 1,000 watts is portable as well. If you want to learn more about that, watch my other video where I go over that in a little bit more detail to show you what you can expect between the two and maybe what's a better investment. But I will be reviewing these. So everybody, I wanted to go through all of these tools. I understand that there's so many tools and so many different things, and Ryobi is blowing up the market with all these great, awesome tools, and they are exploring different routes, capitalizing on your tools, redesigning their tools, making them better, and that's why they have so many versions of these. But at the same time, they are just innovating all of the industry, especially the outdoor power. I think they're the leading outdoor power company as a single source solution for your home. I don't think there's anyone that even touches them. So we're going to be following them. So follow me, and I'll give you all of my updates because I do test out the tools too, and I'm fair, balanced, and honest, and all that great stuff that you should expect from somebody on YouTube that just talks about tools all the time. My name is Brent. Again, this is Live Free and Tool, and I hope that you enjoyed this. And until next time, please get out there, go build something, learn something, make mistakes, learn from your mistakes, pass it on to the next generation, and don't forget to subscribe. Get out there and share the video because somebody may find this helpful, and it'll help me and the channel out. And until next time, see ya. Bye now.